If you want an easy way to organize your photos in Lightroom, adding keywords is one of the fastest and most useful things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keywords in Lightroom step by step, including how to tag one photo and how to apply the same keywords to multiple photos at once. This is perfect for keeping your library searchable, clean, and much easier to manage later. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips. Let's get started. First, open Lightroom and go to the photo you want to organize. If you are working on a single image, click to select that photo first. Once it's selected, look for the tag icon, which is the keyword section. This is the tool you'll use to add searchable words to your photo. Now click inside the keyword field. This is where you can type the words that describe the image. For example, you can enter words like portrait, sunset, or travel, depending on what the photo is about. You can also use keywords that help you remember the location, style, or subject of the image. After typing your keywords, press Enter to save them. That's it for one photo. Lightroom will now attach those keywords to the image, making it much easier to find later when you search your library. This is especially helpful if you have hundreds or even thousands of photos and want to sort them faster. Now let's look at how to add keywords to multiple photos at the same time. This is a huge time saver if you have a batch of images from the same shoot. Start by selecting multiple photos in Lightroom. You can do this by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking the images you want. Once all the photos are selected, click the tag icon again to open the keywords area. Then type your keywords just like before. When you add them here, Lightroom applies those keywords to all of the selected images at once. This is a simple way to keep an entire group of photos organized without repeating the same steps for each file. A good pro tip is to keep your keywords focused and simple. Try to use only 3 to 5 keywords max for each image. Think about the subject, the location, and the style. For example, if the photo is of a person at the beach in a cinematic look, your keywords might be person, beach, and cinematic. If it's a car in the city, you could use car, city, and HDR. The goal is to use keywords that actually help you find the photo later without overloading it with too many terms. Another helpful tip is to stay consistent. If you always use the same style of keywords, your Lightroom catalog will be much easier to search and manage over time. That means when you need to find all your travel photos, portrait edits, or sunset shots, you can do it in just a few clicks. So to quickly recap, select your photo, click the tag icon, click inside the keyword field, type your keywords, and press Enter. And if you want to do the same thing for multiple photos, select them all first and then add the keywords once so they apply to every image. It's fast, simple, and one of the best ways to stay organized in Lightroom. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and simple workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.